Welcome back. Today we are looking at the RIGOL Digital Oscilloscope DS1102ZE 100 MHz 2Ch Digital Oscilloscope Professional 4-channel review. The Digital Oscilloscope Professional 4-channel category in 2026 continues to evolve rapidly, and the RIGOL DS1102ZE stands out as one of the most trusted mid-range lab instruments for engineers, technicians, students, and electronics enthusiasts. Check the video description for the updated price link. Despite being a 2-channel model, it delivers performance and measurement depth that often competes with entry-level 4-channel oscilloscopes, making it a popular choice for professional diagnostics, embedded debugging, and circuit development. This oscilloscope is built around a powerful 100 MHz bandwidth and a 1 GSas real-time sampling rate, which ensures precise waveform capture even in complex digital systems. Whether you're troubleshooting microcontroller communication protocols like UART, SPI, or I2C, or analyzing analog signal behavior in power electronics, this device provides the clarity and speed required in modern electronic labs. What truly makes the DS1102ZE relevant in 2026 is its ultravision technology, deep memory depth 24 mpts, and high waveform capture rate of up to 30,000 WFMSS. These features ensure that even rare glitches and intermittent signal anomalies are captured with precision. The RIGOL DS1102ZE is designed with both beginners and advanced users in mind. It combines intuitive usability with powerful internal hardware, making it suitable for education, repair labs, and industrial testing environments. With 100 MHz bandwidth and 1 GSas sampling rate, this oscilloscope ensures accurate signal representation. Fast digital transitions, analog waveform distortions, and noise patterns are captured with high fidelity. The 24 megapoint memory allows long signal captures without losing detail. This is especially useful for debugging intermittent faults or long-duration digital communication protocols. The 7-inch 800,480 high-resolution display enhances waveform clarity with intensity grading, making signal variations visually intuitive and easier to analyze. At 30,000 waveforms per second, the DS1102ZE significantly reduces blind spots during signal analysis, improving diagnostic efficiency in complex circuits. Built-in support for UART, I2C, and SPI decoding makes it an essential tool for embedded system developers and IoT engineers. The RIGOL DS1102ZE features a compact yet durable chassis designed for lab environments and field diagnostics. The front panel layout is intuitive, with clearly labeled controls and responsive knobs that make waveform adjustment smooth and precise. The 7-inch display is bright and readable even under lab lighting conditions, and the menu system is designed to reduce learning curves for beginners. Engineers transitioning from analog oscilloscopes will find the interface surprisingly familiar yet modernized. Another strength is its USB connectivity, allowing easy waveform export, firmware updates, and remote control capabilities. This makes it highly adaptable for academic labs and automated testing environments. In real-world testing scenarios, the DS1102ZE performs exceptionally well across multiple domains. In embedded systems debugging, it accurately decodes communication protocols and detects timing mismatches in microcontroller signals. In power electronics, it helps analyze switching waveforms in SMPS circuits, motor controllers, and inverters. The high sampling rate ensures no transient spike goes unnoticed. For educational use, students benefit from its clear waveform visualization and easy measurement tools. The automatic measurement functions significantly reduce manual calculation errors. In repair labs, technicians rely on its stable triggering system and deep memory to isolate faults in complex PCBs and consumer electronics. This oscilloscope is not just a measurement tool, it is a diagnostic platform. The combination of deep memory and high refresh rate makes it ideal for capturing rare signal events that cheaper scopes often miss. Check the link in the description to get yours today.